Yep, so my name's Jonathan Luke Fox. I've been working there for 8 years, well, 7 years, and I work for WSP. And WSP is a multidisciplinary engineering firm. So I'm a senior engineer, and my main responsibility is I am the Midas UK champion. So essentially, we chose Midas just because of the user interface, the documentation that is out there with regards to the technical support, the YouTube channels, the documentation that you get when you install Midas, and the capabilities of the synergy between Midas Civil NX and FEA NX and other programs. So we currently have 150 users. And in terms of how it's being used for a variety of projects, for assessments, designs, and so forth. So yeah, there's been difficulties when using Midas with regards to maybe some of the functionalities, but that's been taken care of with regards to, we've kind of maybe raised that question to Midas themselves, and then Midas have been able to support the resolution. Yeah, so I particularly like the ability to be able to look at the MCT command and then be able to then import that into Excel and then be able to automate some of the commands and then bring it back into Midas Civil. And I also like the ability to be able to quite quickly go from Midas Civil NX and into FEA NX and do the meshing of the FEA within an FEA NX. User friendly. Yes, 100%.